In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate and validate SSL for a Namecheap domain. If you've already purchased an SSL certificate from Namecheap, the next step is to activate it properly so it can be issued and used on your website. This process mainly involves generating a CSR code, starting the activation inside your Namecheap dashboard, and then submitting the required details so validation can begin. To get started, go to Namecheap and sign into your dashboard. Before you do anything inside the SSL section, make sure you have already generated a CSR or certificate signing request on your server or through your hosting provider. If your hosting panel includes SSL tools, you can usually create it there. You can also use a CSR generation tool if needed. When generating the CSR, pay close attention to the private key that is created along with it. This is very important. You'll need to keep that private key saved in a secure place because it will be required later when you install the certificate on your server. If you lose it, the certificate may not work correctly and you may have to start over. Once your CSR is ready, head into your Namecheap dashboard and open the SSL certificates section. There, find the SSL certificate you purchased and click Activate. This opens the activation flow where Namecheap will ask for the CSR and a few related details. Now paste your generated CSR into the provided box. Be sure to copy the entire CSR exactly as it was created, including the beginning and ending lines if they are shown. After that, select your server type from the list. Choosing the correct server type helps ensure that the certificate is issued in a format that matches your hosting environment, so it's worth taking a moment to confirm this with your hosting provider if you're unsure. After you submit the CSR, Namecheap will move you into the validation stage. This is where you confirm that you control the domain. You'll be asked to choose a domain control validation method. The available options typically include email validation, DNS name validation, or HTTP file validation. The right choice depends on how your domain and hosting are managed, so choose the method that is most practical for your setup, and that's the activation process in a clear sequence. Generate your CSR, save your private key, log into Namecheap, open SSL certificates, click Activate, paste the CSR, and select the correct server type so you can proceed to validation smoothly.